This is Oppo A1, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls on this device. So firstly, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Accounts and Sync or Users and Accounts category. After that, go for removing all the Google accounts you have, if you have any to begin with. Then re-enter the Google category of Settings. Tap at the Parental Controls, Get Started, Child or Teen, Next. Now you will need to sign into your child's Google account, so that is exactly what I'm going to do next. Once the Google account was successfully logged into, you gotta select it from the list over here, and then enter log into another account, this time Parental one. The following step is called the About Supervision. Over here, you will need to enter the child's Google account password once again, then tap at the Agree button. After that, allow the supervision and wait for the child and parental accounts to get linked. Then hit the Next button. All the steps that we have onwards we can just skip and do not pay attention. Just finish the setup on the child's end. And then once you do that, you gotta take your parental device and download the Family Link app from the Play Store. Then launch it. Make sure that you sign in with the parental Google account, and here is the full list of parental controls and just controls in general that you have an access to. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.